guys, back to Slime&more channel. Today I'm gonna make fluffy slime, and if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and watch the other videos. Today I'm just gonna make fluffy slime. So first we need PVA liquid glue. As you can see, I added the whole bottle in. And then I'm gonna add food coloring. It's optional, but I want it to be colorful, so I'm gonna add some yellow food dye. So now I'm gonna mix it all together. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of food dye at a time. As you can see, I just added a tiny bit of drop, so I'm just mixing it all around. I don't want it to be really light because I'm gonna add shaving cream, and when I'm gonna add shaving cream, it's gonna be lighter, so yeah. And as you can see, I'm adding once at a time, so I don't want to overdo it. So, oops, I dropped it. And in 1, 2, 3, yeah, this is better. So yeah, where were we? So yeah, I'm gonna mix it all together. And now this is the fun part, adding shaving foam. Oh, shaving cream. Ooh, so satisfying. Just mix it. As I said last time in the video, that it will make it lighter. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add some banana scent here. So because of the activator is gonna smell really strong, I'm gonna add banana scent. So I don't want to overdo it, like the food coloring. I think that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna mix it, stir it all around. So now I cleaned up the place and I brought a new spoon, and as you can see, the color is more neon. So now I'm just gonna add the activator, and yeah, I'm just gonna stir it all up so it can activate. think it's ready, you guys? Do you think it's ready? I think it needs more kneading, but I'm just gonna put it on the table. Yep, and the table straight away. It feels really weird, like when I did no borax slime. It kind of feels the same, even though I added different type of glue. It was so satisfying. So now I'm gonna add some more shaving foam. Sheesh. Okay, so I'm gonna add more shaving foam. I don't think it's like a fluffy slime, so that's why I add more shaving foam. Okay, it's ASMR time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and down below what other videos you want me to make. See my other videos, No Borax Slime and Slime Supplies Haul. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to share, and goodbye.